Hey friends, this is Sofar from Teach Technology. Hope you all are fine. Today I'm going to show you how you can protect your eyes from your iPhone. Before start video, press the bell icon or subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's start video. First, open settings. Second, open screen time. Third, open screen distance and turn on the option. Now whenever you or your children put the phone near to the face, it detects it and show you a notification, then press continue and that's it. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. Your support means the world to us. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an exciting moment. Share our content with your friends and family, and together, let's keep this community thriving. Stay tuned for more inspiring videos and adventures. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep smiling.